Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. Today we are going to learn about something that we use every single day, the internet. What is the internet? How does it work? And what are the important things every beginner must know about it? Let's learn everything in a very simple and easy way. What is the internet? The internet is a massive global network that connects millions of computers, smartphones, and devices all around the world. It allows people to share information, communicate, watch videos, play games, and do business from anywhere in the world. Simple example. Think of the internet like a huge road network. Just like roads connect cities and towns together, the internet connects computers and devices together all around the world. Information travels through this network, just like cars travel on roads. Who owns the internet? This is a very common question. Nobody owns the internet. It is a global network that is managed and maintained by millions of organizations, governments, and companies working together. No single person or company controls the entire internet. However, there are organizations like ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, that manage important things like domain names and IP addresses to keep the internet organized and running properly. How does the internet work? The internet works by sending and receiving data in small pieces called data packets. When you open a website or watch a video on YouTube, your computer sends a request through the internet. That request travels through cables and wireless signals to a server, a powerful computer that stores the website or video. The server sends the data back to your computer in small packets. Your computer receives all the packets and assembles them together to show you the website or video on your screen. Simple example, sending data over the internet is like sending a large book through the mail by tearing it into small pages and sending each page separately. All the pages arrive at the destination and are assembled back into the complete book. What is an IP address? Every device connected to the internet has a unique address called an IP address, Internet Protocol Address. An IP address is like a home address for your computer on the internet. When you request a website, the internet uses your IP address to know where to send the information back. IP addresses look like this: 192.168.1.1. Every website also has an IP address. When you type google.com, your computer finds Google's IP address and connects to it. Simple example, IP address is like your home address. When someone wants to send you a letter, they need your address. When the internet wants to send data to your computer, it uses your IP address. What is a domain name? Since IP addresses are long numbers that are hard to remember, we use domain names instead. A domain name is the easy-to-remember name of a website, like google.com, youtube.com, or facebook.com. When you type a domain name in your browser, a system called DNS, Domain Name System, converts it into the IP address of that website automatically. You never have to remember IP addresses because DNS does that work for you. Simple example, DNS is like the contacts list on your phone. Instead of remembering everyone's phone number, you just search for their name and your phone finds the number automatically. DNS does the same thing for websites. How does internet reach your home? Internet reaches your home through different ways. Broadband connection uses physical cables, either copper telephone lines or fiber optic cables to bring internet to your home. Fiber optic cables are the fastest and use light signals to transfer data at very high speed. Wi-Fi connection uses a wireless router in your home that receives the internet signal through a cable and then broadcasts it wirelessly so all your devices can connect without cables. Mobile internet uses cellular networks, 3G, 4G, and 5G, to provide internet to your smartphone without any cables. 5G is the latest and fastest mobile internet technology available today. Satellite internet uses satellites in space to provide internet to remote areas where cables cannot reach. Starlink by SpaceX is a popular satellite internet service. Simple example, internet coming to your home is like water coming through pipes. The main pipe comes from outside, and then smaller pipes distribute it to every room. Similarly, the main internet cable comes to your home, and then Wi-Fi distributes it wirelessly to all your devices. What is the difference between internet and World Wide Web? Many people think internet and World Wide Web are the same thing, but they are actually different. The internet is the global network of connected computers. It is the infrastructure or the roads. The World Wide Web, or WWW, is a collection of websites and web pages that you access through the internet using a browser. It is just one of the many services that run on the internet. Other services that also run on the internet but are not part of the WWW include email, WhatsApp messaging, online gaming, and video calls. Simple example. Internet is like the road network of a city. The World Wide Web is like the shocks and buildings on those roads. The roads connect everything, but the shops are just one of the things you can visit using those roads. Interesting facts about the internet. The internet was first developed in 1969 by the United States Department of Defense as a project called ARPANET. The World Wide Web was invented by a British scientist named Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. The first website ever created went online on August 6, 1991. Today, there are more than 5.4 billion internet users in the world. Every minute on the internet, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube, 6 million Google searches are made, and 200 million emails are sent. So now you know what the internet is, how it works, what IP addresses and domain names are, and how internet reaches your home. The internet is truly one of the greatest inventions in human history. In our next video, we will learn about how to create a Gmail account step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.